you're a new motorcycle rider and you're looking to get a motorcycle for the first time, it's going to be your first bike. How exciting! Congratulations. It's going to be a great experience for you. I know you're going to like it. But let me give you some advice, okay? Please listen and just trust me when I tell you. You don't need to buy a new bike. You can buy a used bike. You'll be fine. I promise. It's like a car, your first car. You probably didn't have a new car for your first car. You had a used car. Or like a hand-me-down car from your parents or whoever got you your first car. And the same can be true for motorcycles. The amount of skill, or well, not even that. Just, you don't need a new bike. You need a bike that you can learn on. A bike that if and when you drop it, which almost everyone does, and dropping your bike doesn't mean you get into a crash. Dropping your bike can be, you didn't realize your kickstand wasn't down and you went to go lean your bike and you were already stopped and then you dropped it. Very common, especially as a new rider. It's more, kickstands are one of the little things, and it's very possible that you just forgot, and that's okay. Hey man, we all forget things sometimes. But the thing that you want to do more than anything is not beat yourself up if you happen to drop your new bike. Will dropping your used bike feel any better than dropping a new bike? No, but it won't be as expensive either. So just trust me when I tell you, go ahead, bite the bullet, go ahead and just get you a used bike. You'll be so much happier in the short term. And then when you're ready, go get another bike. Get a whatever bike it is that you want to go get. But get good on a used bike that you can actually learn how to ride. You don't feel bad about beating it up a little bit. You do that, you're gonna be just fine. Ooh, should probably be in first.